I'd love to wear colorful rings in the summer, so let's put together some ring stacks that feature colorful rings. The easiest color to style is probably white, or really anything that's mother of pearl or pearl accent. I have a few rings that feature pearls, and I actually like to just wear them all together. So if you have a very statement piece, you can always balance it out with something that's a little bit daintier, but also kind of visually weighty as well. So this is quite a statement piece. I feel like if I wore a really, really thin chain, you just will not be able to see the chain at all. But this kind of crisscrossed, stacked, but really a singular ring with pearl accent visually looks like it balances out the weightiness of my signet ring. And for the other hand, you could go for just one singular statement ring. I actually really like how the pearl and diamante cross matches with the cross detail here. Even stacking these two cross rings look really, really fun. It just looks like an ultimate statement ring. I'm gonna wear a signet ring that features, again, pearl accent. If I want to, I also have this kind of thumb ring that has different color gemstone, and I will just show the mother of pearl gemstone to complete the look. Again, not too much stacking, but I picked a universal theme that is white, and really the texture is pearl, and I let the different sizes, shapes, and style pearls do the talking. Can also put on this one if I just want a simpler kind of mixed metal with pearl look. Black is another fun accent that when it's mixed with, for example, gold or another color, it just looks really chic, cool, but also feminine at the same time. So I have this signet ring on my ring finger. I just really like the oval shape on the ring finger. And then maybe I will wear this one on the middle finger on my other hand. And then this is one of my all-time favorite pinky rings. I don't usually wear pinky rings, but I feel like these two stack really well. I do quite like how black and gold contrast each other, so I'm gonna add a couple more gold accents like this one with diamante detail. It also adds a bit of a sparkle. And then this is a chain ring that I feel like could go well maybe here actually. Yeah, it balances out the hand pretty well. I could really keep going and maybe add a thumb ring here. So visually, I have kind of 3 rings on the left and 3 rings on the right hand. And the little trick here is to basically not match your rings on symmetrical fingers so that visually it adds a bit more variety. Ring is one of my favorite colors, and let's center this stack around my green signet ring. It's got malachite in the center, and you can obviously just wear it on its own. In fact, I feel like if you were to wear a signet ring on its own, it looks prettier on either your ring finger or your index finger, just so it's a little bit off-centered, especially because it's already like a quite square-ish design. So I like to add a little bit more interest by not putting it on the center ring. And I will keep stacking because I love stacking. This is like a little evil eye with a green diamante in the middle. The green here brings out the green on this pinky ring, so it's not going to be ignored even though it's next to such a statement piece. You can also go for a mixed metal look. Even though this is silver, it is totally fine in this stack because you've got other green accents that bring the look together. On this pinky ring, there's actually tiny green accents at the eye part of the snake. So it's just the subtle details that kind of make a difference. I know I'm doing asymmetrical look, so I'm gonna break the symmetry and I'm gonna add this open ring. This is another trick when it comes to styling colorful rings. You can play around with the spacing too. If you feel like you don't want to put too many colors together, then choose open rings that kind of leave the center of attention a little bit open, and it just visually looks barely there, but also it does add a bit of a sparkle. I really like that. I feel like I need to balance it out with maybe a thumb ring here. So I'm going to bring back this thumb ring. This is probably the most versatile colorful piece in my collection because it's got white, green, as well as blue. So you can really just twist it to whichever color you want to feature. So in this case, I'm going to put the green on top. And this is such a pretty green ring stack that I feel like is quite unusual. I really love the monochromatic look when it comes to ring stacks, just because, well, first of all, it's quite rare when someone does have so many rings of the same color. But if you're also just obsessed with jewelry, as I am, maybe take out the colored rings that you have the most of and just, add them together to create a monochromatic look. This is one of my favorite combos recently, which is the heart little evil eye ring and this blue gemstone ring. I love it because the blue in here brings out the blue of the eye in this heart ring, and it just looks so intentional and so fun. And because these are all quite vibrant colors, I'm actually going to wear another ring that's got just a bunch of colors. And you know it, I'm gonna bring back my favorite thumb ring. Maybe I will bring out the blue in the thumb ring to add, again, a little bit more variety to this. And I could call it a day here, but knowing myself, I want to add a little pinky ring. I love that this eye design also goes well with the eye here. You can add color rings in the same shape to help with the mix and match. So this gemstone ring is in this oval shape. I also have this mood ring in pretty much the same oval shape. So visually, even though they're not the same color, it doesn't look too clashy. I'm actually going to stack these two oval rings to create a statement ring. Oh, this is so pretty. Also, because it's a mood ring, it's already turning like a greenish blue, and it just goes so well with this turquoise blue. This might be my favorite stack today. I feel like yellow doesn't really count because obviously anything yellow goes really well with gold, but that also means yellow is a great color to get into if you're not sure that colored rings are for you. So I'm going to match the sparkle with this gold twisted ring. I'm going to add this stacked ring that's got gold and silvery diamante, as well as two little rings here to add more texture. I love this blue ring so much, I'm actually gonna bring it back and wear on the middle finger here. I do think blue against yellow or gold is a really pretty and very summery combo. And I also want to bring back a little bit of pearl. So on my right hand, yes, I am wearing 3 statement rings right next to each other, but I intentionally placed a pop of color so that visually you still see the main statement, which is this pop of color. But it's also really fun to have a bunch of different shaped statement rings here. On this hand, I'm gonna add a dual ring here on my thumb just to visually balance out a bit. So on both hands, I have statement pieces, except the statement piece is more obvious on my left hand and the right hand is just more decked out. Just because this is the last look, I want to show you can actually go crazy and just stack statement ring on top of statement ring, wear a ring on every finger. Truly just play around with what you have. The key here is not to follow specific rules. This is supposed to give you some inspiration, but also encourage you to just play around with the rings in your collection. Even though they might not look like they could match, you might be surprised as you play around more.